I just found this baby bird in my garden and I just wanted to show you him. He's just around here, I think. So, I'm not sure if you can see him or not, but let me just go see. Go look at this there. Let me see him. I think I can't see him nowhere. I just saw him and now he's gone. I don't know where he's gone off to. Where's he gone off to? Mum? Where's he gone? No? Oh, there he is. See him? Do you see him? Do you see that guy over there? See him? Look. See that little guy? That little bird? That's baby bird I've been talking about. I think he's just a baby now, so yeah, bye. That's all what I have for today in this vlog. So yeah, bye.